Alright, start off the vlog for us. Toon Toon.
Hi everybody.
Yeah, they can see you.
Perfect. Like me.
Anyway, where are we going?
We're going to a soobin cupsleeve event with the K-pop club.
Yes.
Did you guys want to be in the video?
Oh yeah, sure.
Do a little hi. Cute!
Cute.
Awesome!
Look at him. That is so cute. Wow.
Alright, so show me Ashley. Cute! Love it! Okay.
I got these and then
Cute! Cute!
A2's charm that there we go. Charm.
Cute!
Charm.
You got one too? Cute! I love it.
Somehow we have teleported to TARAVAL and we are headed to SarangHello.
Yay!
The back oh, perfect. Let me go color and then.
I'm thinking we're getting the copycat album. I'm so excited.
Awesome.
I think I have to get one. I have to get his. So here's the cup sleeve from the event. How cute. And they also have some other freebies, like this postcard. That is so cute. I don't know where... Oh, the design is right here. It's Cafe How. And I'll put it on the screen so you guys can check them out. And then they also have the soobin Miso 1 photo card. Cute. I also got some stickers from a vendor that was at the event. The vendor's name is Hobbyco. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but I'll insert it on the screen. I just got a few stickers. This is Hangul Korean lettering. Figured it would be cute in my journals. Also some stars and also some snowflake stickers. How cute. I think I'm gonna change the angle because I think the lighting, you can't really see what's on the screen. So let me change that. This angle is better. I wanted to show you guys what I got from SarangHello. I only got one thing because I'm broke. But I really wanted Le Sserafim's Antifragile. So I went ahead and got it. Honestly, Le Sserafim is one of the top girl groups that I have been listening to. It's really just been Stacy, New Jeans, and Le Sserafim. Yeah, their past two albums have been, I would say, phenomenal. The B-sides are good. Like, how many K-pop albums do you know have good B-sides? It's usually just, you know, the title track, that's good, and then the B-sides are just neglected and underperformed. But that is not the case for Miss Le Sserafim. And I think everyone can agree that Antifragile is stuck in their heads. I would literally just be walking around the city and suddenly go, Antifragile. I think there's 2 different versions. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I only got one. So I don't know what the difference is. I didn't really look into it. Oh, they just... Okay. I don't know how I feel about it just being like this. This might be the photo cards. So why don't I check that out right now? Eyes are closed. Oh, hello. I don't know if you guys can see it. Back. That's the back. Okay. Ah, cute. So I got Unche. Very cute. I think she's the youngest member, the maknae. She's like a lion. Desire. Dun, dun, dun. I love that part. I don't know. Oh, this is the CD. Okay. Let's see. Hello. Oh. Oh. I don't know about y'all, but I love minimal looking CDs, mainly because I have a CD player and that's what I use to display CDs, and I love it when it matches the look of my desk area. There's a postcard. Oh, this is actually cute. I think this is like a winter wonderland concept. Very cute. Don't know what this is. Oh. I can't read this, but it seems like this is a graphic novel. And we have stickers, more stickers. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I am not an inclusion lover. Now hear me out. I find myself opening my albums, looking at the photo card, and not touching the rest of the inclusions. Like these stickers, I will probably not use, unfortunately. And I could just buy photo cards that I want off of Mercari or something, or Instagram, but I love the joy of unboxing albums, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm thinking this is a poster. Let's see. Ooh, now hold on. Whoa. Am I gonna put this on my wall? Does this fit the vibe? I think this fits the vibe. I don't even know y'all can see that, but it's okay. And then I think this is the concept book. Oh. No, hold on. Wait, that is cute. Miss Sakura. Is that Kazuha? Kazuha. Here's the lyrics from Impurities. I love Impurities. I love the dance. I love the song. The lyrics. Yes. Now hold on. Now hold on. Look at the... Hold on. I need this. I'm gonna bookmark it so I can put it on my wall. It's very surprising that I'm standing a lot more girl groups lately. Like I said, I stand Stacy, New Jeans, and LE SSERAFIM, and you guys know I ult TXT, but I haven't really got into any other boy groups. Maybe P1 Harmony casually. I actually want to see them in concert. Their tickets already went on sale, but apparently there's still some tickets, so I don't know if I might get some now or wait until about a week before the LA concert. That's the one I would go to. But I do want to see them live because they have no bad songs. They have produced not a single bad song. So I would love to see them in concert. But yeah, aside from them, I am a TXT plus girl groups enjoyer. Yeah, that's all I have right now. I think next vlogmas will be me going to the other soobin cupsleeve event I had planned to go to the next day in Burlingame. So enjoy.